everybody. Wanted to make a first-person point of view video for a 2023 Tesla Model X. I've gotten a few requests to make a video like this, so I'm going to do my best and try and do it. So as you guys saw when I came into the car, the door automatically opens, which is a nice feature. You don't have to touch the door, and it'll shut when you just push the brake down there like you saw me do. When you come in, the first thing to kind of know is that you can have a key fob, but now Tesla kind of recommends and has you use your phone. So when you come in the car, there's no turning your car on or off or no push button start. Your phone is automatically is the key, and it automatically has the car turned on. So everything is controlled from the screen here. There's no other really levers, and obviously you have your yoke, but there's no other levers or anything to control. So everything is pretty much on this screen. Screen is almost like a big iPad. You can move windows, you can, move things around, pull up apps, all that good stuff. So it's pretty cool. And so right when you come in, this is how you control all your doors. You got your, Falcon Wing doors. You can open them both. Your front, your trunk, all your main details that you need to control. I'm going to close it all because it's getting chilly here. You can control your air just by clicking this here. This will pop this open to adjust the vents and where they're pointed. Again, there's no vents to move. Everything is very simplistic in the Tesla. So to adjust the air vents, you just simply move this. You can split these, move them, whatever you want to do to them. And again, swipe down when you're done. And then you're good to go. Again, very simplistic. I have the 6-seater configuration. And these are both wireless chargers right here. Got a little storage section right in here. And that's about it. So let's go to a supercharger and get a little charge. I'm at about 80% already, but just to kind of show you guys the effect of going to a supercharger. So to go to a supercharger, you click here, click there, and you can choose your nearest supercharger. And you're good to go. Let's do a little Tesla Autopilot on the way too. Forgot to show you also to adjust gears or to change any gears. Push the brake and that pops up on the left here. And this is what you go reverse, forward, or tap to park. So that's how you shift gears. So we're going to go into drive, obviously. And obviously we're heading over to the supercharger. When you do that, it preconditions your battery for fast charging. Just means it kind of warms up your battery because you're going to be charging it so quickly at the superchargers. All right, guys, let's head over. To turn on autopilot, you hit this button right here. Push it once. You can scroll this wheel to control the speed. Let it do its thing. That's really it. It'll stay certain distance from the car in front of you. There is one. So if it slows down, this will slow down. That's it. Shut it off. Just push it again. And that's all you really do with supercharging. Now we are supercharging. There's no credit card information or anything you need to add. You simply come in the car, plug it in, and your credit card information is already entered into your car, obviously. And so you're good to go. All right, I think I'm going to wrap this up. I hope it gave you a little glimpse into what it's like to own a Model X if you're thinking of getting one, or just curious on what it's like. If you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. And if you can, like and subscribe, trying to grow the channel. Much appreciated. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon.